I think hair is a very important thing for women. And when I started seeing my hair in the shower, it was an emotional thing for me as well as a physical thing. So I just wanted to have thicker, stronger hair because it reminded me also of my youth. And it was a reminder that I'm getting older as well. So it was just a tough thing for me.
And I'm older than her.
Yeah.
So I was looking for a way to make sure that I wasn't going to lose hair as a result of aging, through the aging process and just all the hormonal stuff that women go through.
Yeah.
And transitions was a way to make sure that I was taking care of the hair that I have and preventing any future loss.
It affected me emotionally, also physically because I saw the clumps in the shower, but emotionally it affected me because it was just a reminder every day that I was getting older. So that kind of sucked. So there was that. And then, you know, also it affected the way that I did my hair. It affected the way that I styled my hair. It affected the way that I had to cover that up a little bit. And so transitions, it helped in that respect, because it helped with the thickness of it. It helped with the way that it helped me do what I did years before.
And I like knowing that I'm using pharmaceutical grade products that are super, super good for my hair and not just looking for like a prettily marketed bottle.
Yeah.
So I love that I know that the products are doing good things for my hair.
Yeah, and you're not throwing your money away, because I did that for a lot of years. I didn't, because at that point I had exhausted everything else. And so at that point I would have done anything to try to get my hair better.
My concern was just, how is this going to be different than like your over-the-counter tonics and gels? And is it going to be something that's customized for me? Is it just, I'm going to go in there and be treated like, you know, just any part of the cattle that gets like a one-size-fits-all treatment? Or is it going to be something that works for me? And that's what I appreciate about Transitions, is it was a custom program.
Kind of like going into a medical spa, because, you know, they're like, can I get you your cup of coffee? And they get to know what your cup of coffee is and how you take it and stuff like that. So it's really nice. And you sit, and then I have like my little half hour of me time when I go in there and nobody bothers me. I get my little space.
It's just so easy. It's a half an hour of just sitting under laser light, knowing that you're nourishing your hair and you're also just getting to chill out and not be disturbed.
Yeah, it's mommy time. I feel really good. I know that over the past 6 months, I've done stuff that is actually doing something good for my hair, and I'm not throwing my money down the drain when it's done something.
And I like it that whenever I go to the hairdresser, she's like, my gosh, your hair is growing like a weed. And that she's noticing growth of new baby hairs.
I like how you do the retesting and you are able to see at the microscopic level what your scalp is doing and what your hair is doing. I've never been able to do that before, so that's really nice to be able to see.
It's some serious high-tech stuff in there, because you get to see your scalp magnified to a degree that is crazy.
Yeah.
And it's amazing. And also to see the progress. So you start out, for example, with some issues, and then you go through the testing, you find out how to treat those issues, and then the next time you test, those issues are gone, and so you know that there's progress.
Well, for me, it's pretty easy for me to not see hair in the drain. That is the biggest result.
Yeah, and for me, it's the growth. I mean, it's just, my hair is growing faster than it used to, and that's a big change. And my husband insists that he sees a difference. So it's nice to get that kind of feedback.